How to add Gmail account to AOL Mail. Now, if you want to use your Gmail account in AOL Mail, you just simply need to open your AOL Mail application, and once you do that, you are gonna see this home page. From here, you will also see the option of inbox from the bottom left corner. Tap to inbox button and it will open this page where you can sign in to your account. Now, in order to use your Google account or the Gmail account in order to sign into AOL, just simply enter your Google account in this box right here. Just simply enter your Gmail account in here and then tap to next button. And once you do that, it will ask you to send a verification code in your Gmail. Just simply tap to yes please send me a verification code, and once you send the verification code to your Gmail, you will receive it. You just simply need to enter that verification code in this box, and after entering the verification code in this box, tap to next button and you will successfully be logged in to your AOL Mail with the Gmail account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.